Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a cloud-based ticketing system with Freshdesk. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To create a cloud-based ticketing system with Freshdesk, start by visiting the Freshdesk website. Click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and password. Choose a unique URL for your Freshdesk account. Select your business type and click Next. Once your account is set up, you'll be directed to the Freshdesk dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main navigation menu on the left. To customize your ticketing system, go to the Admin section. In the Admin panel, click on General Settings. Here, you can set your company logo, ticket status, and priority options. Next, navigate to the Email section. Integrate your support email by clicking on Email Settings. Follow the prompts to connect your email account. Once your email is connected, set up your ticketing workflows. Head to the Ticket Fields section in the Admin panel. Here, you can add custom fields to capture essential information. Next, go back to the main admin settings and click on Automations. Create rules to manage ticket assignments and status changes. Now, let's set up your team. Click on the Team section in the Admin menu. Add team members by entering their emails and assigning roles. Once your team is set, create a knowledge base. Navigate to the Knowledge Base section. Add articles and FAQs to help customers find answers quickly. Next, you can configure your support channels. Go to the Channels section in the Admin panel. Choose the channels you want to support, such as chat or phone. After setting this up, it's time to test your ticketing system. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.